Mentang senyum tang ba kejelau kuna kesang ma lahir Malaysiang bat Peit ya Jingtei New Shillong ban bisya ya jingyat kikam kijam. La senalang u dau Chief Secretary Dr. P. Syakil Ahmed Principal Secretary Dr. B.J. Kumar bat Officer Ketenat Oban Affairs bat kiwei. Ki Jingtei ki bahek ga ya syat mentah New Shillong ke bansa Phyrnai Khrek onradep ya ki hagis nem bansawan. Conrad wallet ban jurip ya Jingtei ki bahek ki bagi spa kru kum ka Unity Mall ka Secretariat Complex ka Sports Complex Home Sauli bat giwe-giwe. Conrad long ba ki Jingtei New Shillong ki Shillong kumu mau krum jong ke jela hak lawai ban kentiu ya kayok kekot bat kurkom im ki Peit ba. Ka jinglet jengok jeng kalong ban pentikna badai ban pendep biang por ya Jingtei klem kanu ke Jingtei.
What is this? Unity ball. This also, because we had money, we put extra money, good that we are making bigger than what we can. So again, you know. I see from here, Unity Mall. Unity Mall.
I took in those window.
Now Secretariat boundary ends here. From here down is. Then we can just take away any time here. To give them one day, if we give them a chance that they'll mobilize, just take it. We just kind of. That is the tennis, so the pavilion is already done. So December we are expecting this to be done, right? Yes. We'll go to R2. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? यहाँ से जाना है? Basically, we can only R1. Now, with all the work going so fast, everybody is confident कर सकते हैं. This is the other thing. We'll show you the parade. Next year when it is done, then we can call all the everybody. Water will flow here, sir. Because we are making a dam there. So water is flowing. All that secretariat water जो there है, वो सब that is because that's our garden site. Of course, here it will be a star. Here it will be a pan. Please don't give me excuses. I want this finished in the month of February. I'm entering this. We are inaugurating in February. That's all I know. See the real stuff. Yeah, that's what. We don't want to see we don't want to see drawings anymore. Get my map. Let's go. We will build it. Whoever hotel bids for this, we will give them the management, like how we gave for G. Something like that. Yeah. That to manage करना बड़ा मुश्किल है. Exactly. I think we can walk to the PM Divine site. Max one. So we will require at least one. Yes. So that is how this is. So we'll go one floor up and then we'll go to R2. Yes, sir. With our open hand. Chalo. Chalo. Then we will just see the land for the state guest house, and then we'll do. And then sport. It's coming. We can see, no? Yes. Chalo. Oh, this road. This road. 36-meter road. Oh, this is the cherry blossoms laga ke. We'll have nice big footpath. Yeah, we are going to. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Hello. Shillong. Garden is the main road. This is the place we aim at to get. Now all of this literally is like a real place. And we'll go down and see the garden. So garden, so this is the place. Hotel will be on this side. So whoever is getting this hotel is the luckiest. Here we are getting 75 square. In the original plan that they have made, it is almost 135 square. So now we are reducing 135 to 70. That saves us a lot of space to accommodate more. But then the good thing is we are giving. Okay. We'll just see the retaining wall.
That will require, no? Parking will require.
We'll do that. We'll do that actually.
Because as I said, there'll be minimum, say, 2,000 vehicles.
Yeah. It's great stuff. The slab is stuff. Chamber, then this is the 45% one. This we are extending and making it the 60% one. This will be the cabinet. So right opposite the CMC will be the cabinet. And of course,
Within the government, so I have to have it here only. So again, we just need the parking space and some kind of public utility. So in the parking space only, there should be public utility maintained well. And there also there's the bathroom and all.
yes, that ground is already ready. As I told you, the problem is about cutting. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, so we are still reconciling that. But that ground is ready. Ready means it can be made ready in 2 months because we have cut. Full corridor all around. The first floor also there is a corridor. Then this water. This is how we. CM thought, Minister thought I'm using your name to do what?
become like a floor also.
Yes.
For ceiling for us and floor for the top.
Yes.
It is wonderful.
If you remember, that is the main lobby.
Actually, sir, there are steps between R1 and R2, so people will use the steps, and that is actually the roof of the auditorium.
This is a room.
One department.
All department. So then there'll be cubicles to come.
So in this floor, this is the 5th floor.
Also, you put the cabin that's at the back now.
Which one, sir?
The cabin is at the back.
Yes. So the cabin, you look that side. No, basically you are sitting here.
Yeah.
You are sitting here. You look this side only. But
This won't fall, guys. That is a parade ground.
yes, sir.
Or this is parade ground.
Little expansive. It's coming too expensive, so we are scaling it down a little bit. But broadly, this is how it looks. So the hotel will be here. The guest house, state guest house will be here. तो होटल वाला तो अपना 2-3 साल में आराम से बनाएगा. हम लोग अपना स्टेट गेस्ट हाउस तो जल्दी बनाएंगे. Then we can.
This is the view from the road, sir. This is the view from the swale side.
The roof, we again
Looks
build
like a
with the
hotel only.
contours. Yeah.
जब यहाँ पे पार्किंग का no ऊपर से 6.5 एकड़ नीचे जगह है जो प्लाटर किया. No, I'm not saying here. I'm saying tomorrow if people come for office.